grow a garden, and this is my first time to make a video, and I'm back and gonna English in my video. So I will showing you the most best fruit for grinding top 5 to top 1. So the first top 5 is the melon and what is it again? Wait guys. Oh, pumpkin and melon. That is the top 5 best fruit for, but you say is not. So because it is so good for, because if it that make a mutation the melon or pumpkin, it will be millions or 10k I think. So or pumpkin, that's all. So next is top 4. The top 4 is bamboo, because the bamboo, if it got shot, it be millions of dollars. So you get millions of a bamboo if it got shot, or if it get wet, it will be not millions. So the top 3, I think top 3. So the top 3 is mango. If it gets shot, it will be millions. So it top 2 is the pepper. The next pepper. So the if it's good, I don't know. But so then top 1 is, I forgot the name, but it was in the event of Easter in the grow of garden, and it was cherry blossom I think. And that's all. So guys, before you are leaving in the video, like first and subscribe. So thank you. That's all guys. So goodbye.